Hey guys, it's Dr. Sam Robbins. I made a lot of videos about growing your penis. How big can you grow it? What are the best ways? What are the best tools, supplements, all these different aspects. But ultimately, people always ask me, hey, how big can I really grow my penis? Real life examples, not those BS ads that say like 4 inches in 30 days or something like that. That's never going to happen. So in this next video, I'm going to talk about exactly real life options that you have or opportunities on how big can you really grow your penis, expectations that really work that you can achieve. So watch that video right now.
This topic I've mentioned before I didn't want to do. I got so many questions about it. I've talked about it over the years. So it's about penis enlargement. Does it work? Does it not? What are the results? I'm going to put a link at the end of this video about a private membership or free site for you guys. All right, I created an entire private site for this because I can't post it in the world because Google and all these other people don't like it. So with that said, it's all private, but it's all for free. I'm going to post a link below this video. However, does it work? Yes. What kind of results or expectations will penis enlargement do? Is it going to make you 4 inches bigger in 30 days? No. Never. Okay. Can you grow 4 inches in 2-3 years? Probably not. Okay. I've actually seen penis enlargement surgeries. Okay. I have a urologist friend of mine. I watched it doing the video. It's not cool to watch. I know what they do. I know all these different things about it. I'll give you a little quick history about it. I used to live in the quote unquote valley in Woodland Hills, in Southern California, where it used to be the porn capital of the world, Van Nuys and so forth. And true stories, like over 20 years ago when I was getting in all this medical stuff and so forth, I saw a lot of these porn guys, at the gym, and we talked about different hormones, how they can last longer, how they can increase their sperm and ejaculatory volume and so forth. Again, any questions, by the way, you have about this stuff, post it below, all right? I'll make you videos about all this stuff. We talked about what works, what doesn't work, who does it. First of all, a lot of this stuff with penis size is genetics, all right? Definitely you can grow it if you're going through puberty still, okay? Especially if you can grow it when you're young. However, keep something in mind that your penis is a muscle. So in order for it to grow, I know it's not like cardiac muscle like your heart, and it's not like smooth like muscle, like your biceps and so forth, and it's smooth muscle. All these things, it's still a muscle, and it can grow, okay? Just as your heart can grow, okay? It can grow. The sooner you start, the better. It's got to be done slowly, and I'll tell you all the different ways to do it. And does it work? Yes. Again, expectations. You can definitely get at least 1/2 inch to 1 inch. I would suggest maybe 2 inches is the max you can grow if you're really lucky and diligent. 3 inches, maybe, and that's going to take at least 2 or 3 years, and that's done daily. Okay, it's just like a muscle. All right, guys, it's just like a muscle. In order for the muscle to grow, it needs to be exercised, and it's got to be optimal hormones. That's the difference between a professional bodybuilder and a regular bodybuilder. Someone with good genetics, and first you have people who are responders, who people who work out, all of a sudden they gain 20 pounds of muscle, and some people only gain 5 pounds of muscle. All right, maybe you're going to gain 5 pounds of muscle, or 5, whatever on your penis, or sometimes you're going to gain 20 pounds of muscle. Hence, you're going to get 3-4 times the result someone else's. And optimally optimizing your hormones will give you better results. The guy who gained 5 pounds of muscle naturally, you give him some testosterone, they're going to grow more muscle. All right, maybe another 5 pounds or maybe 20 pounds, depends on your spawn. So again, you have to optimize your hormones, especially when women take testosterone, their clitoris grows. When women take male hormones, their clitoris grows. Sometimes only 1/2 inch, sometimes 1 inch, sometimes 2 inches on their clitoris. Okay, they're not even doing exercise. The clitoris is basically like your penis for a guy. And again, in my private site, again, links below, all for free. Okay, if you sign up, free for life, okay? I'll show you videos and all this stuff when the clitoris grows on these bodybuilding women, all right? I'm not sure how I can show it on this channel. With that said, it can grow. Again, it's hormones, and if you do it correctly, it's permanent. My goal is for you to gain at least 1/2 inch, maybe 1. If you're lucky, over the next couple of years, you're going to gain 2 inches. All right, couple of years. Again, optimizing your hormones and diligent with the exercises that I suggest. It happens. I've seen it happen. I've seen, even porn guys, they don't need to do it as much because they're genetically gifted, but I know guys who do it with the right hormones to make sure it's thicker, sometimes longer, definitely wider and bigger in diameter. That's what women actually like. Length is one thing. Girth is even more important. That you can also improve for sure. So with that said, and I've gone on and on, it can be done. I've seen it, I've proven it, and there's nothing I'm going to rip you off on. It's all for free. I'm not going to tell you some magical formula. Just I can definitely show you how you can gain more muscle, all right? But I'm not going to tell you, I started working out when I was only 145 pounds. I worked out, then I was 135 pounds, right? Now I weigh 205. It's been natural. I've gained all that weight over the years. But am I ever going to be, these are over almost 17.5, 18 inches. But that doesn't mean anything, okay? Because will I ever look like Arnold Schwarzenegger? No. Will I ever look like a professional bodybuilder? No. All the drugs and steroids, if I took them, will I ever be as big as these guys? No. There's a genetic limit. However, I can definitely optimize and maximize your potential. And that's all we want, all right? Compare you to you, not some porn show, movie, video, or some porn star that you guys keep seeing. You're never gonna be like those guys. Those guys are genetic freaks, and that's why they're doing porn. All I want you to do is feel better about yourself, all right? And optimize your growth so you can feel more confident and you can perform better. Remember, bigger penis does you no good if you don't get the good, hard, full erection. That's what women care most about. Because if you can't get an erection, no matter how big your penis is, a woman's not gonna like it. You can't perform, and she's gonna take it personally, like, hey, what's wrong with this guy, this and that. But even if you're quote unquote 5 inches and you get hard all the time, you can last a long time, you do the right thing, that's what women care about most. Not, oh, he's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 inches, but you can't perform this and that, you can't get hard, you come quick, you don't satisfy her. That means nothing. So I'm gonna show you how to do all this stuff, okay? Trust me, it works. I promise you, I swear, it's all done for free. You gotta do the right exercise, you got the right mindset, you gotta be diligent about it, you got the right hormone. So with that said, let me know all your questions you have below, and there's a link to all this stuff that I'm gonna reveal to you over the next few weeks and months over here, but also in the membership private site so I can speak more freely about all this stuff, okay? Please don't feel bad about it, whatever you are. You can always make improvements. Whether it's your mind, your body, your income, your relationship, you can always make improvements, and that's the only thing we care about. The only thing that brings you happiness in life is progress, okay? I want you to feel good, regardless of what age you are, how old you are, all right? Whether you're 15 or whether you're 50 or 75, all right? You can always make improvement. As always, thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. I wish you a very happy and healthy day. Bye, guys.